Hello friends, welcome to RH Chemistry. From today I am starting with a new concept called Chemistry Radio. In this series, remember, you have to close your eyes, listen, visualize the things and revise for only 5 minutes so that it will help you in exams a lot. Today I am going to discuss about hydrides of nitrogen. We know that in the periodic table group 15, in that nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, strontium, that is antimony and bismuth is present. When these reacts with hydrogen to form hydrides of a formula NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3 and BiH3. So first point we will discuss about thermal stability. In this case, remember, down the group, hydrogen and these elements bond strength is going to decrease. Because of that reason, thermal stability is also decreases. Hence NH3 is more stable than BiH3. Second point is of reducing nature. Reducing nature, it is nothing but ability to give hydrogen. So that is increases down the group because similarly bond strength decreases. Because of that reason, hydrogen can be given easily. That is called as reducing nature. And the third point is basic strength. Basic strength, we are talking about Lewis basic strength because all these are having the center element lone pair of electron. Out of all these, remember, NH3 is the strongest Lewis base than PH3, than ASH3, than SBH3 and than BiH3. Reason for that is the size of the nitrogen is smaller, hence lone pair of electron is concentrated at the smaller volume. Hence can be given easily than bismuth hydride where lone pair of electrons are concentrated on the larger volume. Hence Lewis basic strength of NH3 is more than last one BiH3. Third point I am going to discuss about bond angle. Remember, in case of the bond angle, it is angle between the two bonds. It related to electronegativity and that is related to bond pair repulsion. Generally what happens is, in case of the nitrogen, electronegativity is more. Hence remember, bond pair repulsion will be less. Hence bond angle will be more. Remember, down the group, bond pair repulsion decreases, that is electronegativity decreases, bond angle also decreases. Remember, bond angle of NH3 is more than PH3, than ASH3, than SBH3, than BiH3 because electronegativity decreases down the group. The fifth point I am going to discuss, boiling point. Remember, boiling point related to two important factors. One is molecular mass, second one is hydrogen bonding. So which factor predominates over which factor for the particular hydride, that will decide the boiling point. Hence remember, BiH3 is having highest boiling point than SBH3. Listen carefully. BiH3 is having more boiling point than SBH3. Reason for that is BiH3 is having more molecular mass than SBH3. After SBH3 we cannot expect ASH3 because molecular mass is more, but remember NH3 is there. NH3 can form hydrogen bonding. Then ASH3, then PH3. Hence the boiling point order is BiH3 more than SBH3 more than NH3 more than ASH3 and more than PH3. The reason for the ammonia having more boiling point than arsenic hydride and PH3 is that hydrogen bonding. Thank you. Have a nice day.